And as we move on to step 3, we'll see on the menu how the units are more amplified and children are continually scaffolding their knowledge. And we'll look at Unit 6. We have familiar daily practice, alternatives, capital letters, continuing with tricky words, and also visual cues for reading and writing. The resources are amplified to support this, and I can elect what I want to use in my planning. So let's have a look at the weekly topics. And here I'm looking at the vowel hand, so children can look at the short and the long vowel sounds. You can depress each button and they can hear the sounds. They can listen to the song. And then we can move on to an activity which will invite the children to use the visual cues, listen to the word, and also see how each vowel sound comes up within that word. So using a variety of skills here, but also keeping children active. And finally, we look at all the alternative ways of spelling that one sound with context word, a visual cue, and children can hear this, along with the sound and the shape. To continue and consolidate, we're going to do blending flashcards, and we have the sound buttons so that children can listen, they can identify the sounds within the words and also read. A complete activity with more challenging words and shorter words. Again, we can turn the sound off and listen to the children reading. As we move on to games, here again we're using the visual cues, so children are learning the vocabulary, and they also have to elect the right sound to go with the word. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't turn green. So again, it's using powers of observation, what children hear, what they see, what they read, and also making the connection with the visual cue to make sense of it. And if we move on to the worksheets, here we have the combination of all the sounds, and children work through what works. Do we want to save? I'm not going to save my lesson for today.